Tyne and Wear Metro carries 36 million passengers each year, and it's really important that it's fit now to carry passengers around each day, but also looking for future generations. So we're carrying out a 9-year programme where we've spent £300 million so far in renewing different parts of the system so that it's keeping the trains running for the future.
This first vehicle is going to be away for longer than the rest of the fleet, so we'll all be back here in a year's time to see what it looks like when it comes off the lorry.
Absolutely fantastic. When I first came to Nexus almost 11 years ago, one of my first priorities was to attract the funding necessary to improve the ageing infrastructure. So once we did that, to think that 11 years down the road we've actually passed this landmark is absolutely fabulous. £300 million of investment in order to make the service better for our passengers.
It's a novel experience for Nexus in that we have had to create a whole new set of rules in which we will work to allow this volume of work to be undertaken while still maintaining our health and safety responsibilities for the railway.
We realise that this disruption does cause a little bit of problems for passengers at the present time, but there's a lot of work to do and at the end of the day it will provide a better service all round for the travelling public.
We have about 10 million passenger journeys, so one of those escalators might have seen, let's say, 10 million people each year for 32 years. That's 320 million passenger journeys on that escalator.
We're really proud of the work that's been done. This is a huge investment, not just in the Tyne and Wear Metro, but in the overall economy as a whole. And our maintenance teams, but also our contractors, work day in, day out, and during the night in sometimes some very difficult weather conditions to make sure that this work is carried out. But the result really will be fantastic. It will mean that the system is fit to transport passengers around this year, next year, but actually for years long into the future.